Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the February 2026 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box to share with you all today. I'll put a link in the description box below to the page on the Potomac Beads website where you can go and read about both of their subscription boxes and subscribe if it's something that you're interested in. I'm going to pop it open here and see what the theme is. Take a little peek. Garden Love. This month's subscription treasure bead box, English Garden, is blooming with beauty inspired by romantic florals and rich garden hues. Inside you'll find flower beads, delicate roses, and sparkling crystal rose rivolis in lush reds, purples, and soft floral tones. Each bead was chosen to blend elegance with creative possibility. Let this collection inspire bold, timeless designs with a touch of floral magic. And then on the back it has everything that's in the box. And there's a little peek. Look at those buttons. They're so pretty. I love buttons. Looks like there's all kinds of pretty colors in there. Look at those super duos. Those are so pretty. Hold on, I'll sort everything out. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now. It's taken me a minute. There's quite a lot in this box. The first thing I have are some check glass carved tile beads. The color is red with silver wash. These are really pretty. They're really, really pretty. And then next are some check glass round beads. They're 10 millimeters and the color is ruby. They're awfully big. I don't know if I can get 3 of them on my pen or not. There we go. Really pretty color of red. And then next are some Potomac pearls, and they usually always include some Potomac pearls, and I absolutely love Potomac pearls. And these are 6 millimeter, and the color is dark purple. So y'all know I'm going to love that color, dark purple. It's really, really pretty. Really great quality pearls that they make. And then next are some Potomac bicones, which I also really, really love. And these are 4 millimeter, and the color is light rose. Really, really pale pink. Really pretty. Might be hard to see. They might just look clear to you all, but they do have a little light color of pink to them. And then next are some cathedral rondelle beads. The color is amethyst bronze. Doesn't say the size. They're really pretty. Got all kinds of facets on them. And then next is a Potomac Crystal Rivoli. It's an 18 millimeter and the color is Mystic Rose. And that is just so pretty. That's the back. It's beautiful. And then next is an Azuki seed bead collection. And it doesn't say, but these are obviously 11Os. And that's a real pretty collection of colors, springy colors. It's really beautiful. And then next are some 8O seed beads. These are Miyuki 8O seed beads. And the color is Aztec Gold. And I love that color of gold. Y'all hear that noise? That's Lily behind me. She's washing her face. Oh, those are really pretty. And then next is a Super Duo mix. It's called the Love Mix. Those are just really pretty. All kinds of sort of kind of a gold and pink and purples in there. They're just beautiful. And then next are some check glass cube beads. They're 5 millimeter and the color is brick red. Really pretty cube beads. A really dark red. A lot of those. And then next are some Athena cast ear wires, French hook with coil and ball, 24 premium 24 karat gold plating. I don't see the coil. That must have been a misprint because all I see is the ball. But that's okay. I don't particularly like the ones with the coil. It kind of gets in my way when I'm trying to open and close them. Those are really pretty. And I didn't count, but there's quite a few in there. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair. Looks like there's enough for 5 pairs of earrings in there. That's really neat. And then next are some Athena cast fancy halo beads mix pack. 6 millimeter, 8 millimeter, and 10 millimeter openings. So you would put your bead in there and then go up through there like that and frame your bead with these. And there's all different sizes. Looks like there's 2 6 millimeter, 2 8 millimeter, and 2 10 millimeter. That's really cool. And then next are some quad bow beads. The color is white lila luster. And the quad bow beads have 4 holes. Like that. They're really cool. It's such a pretty color. And then next are some check glass smooth rondelles. They're 3 by 6 millimeter, and I don't know what the color is. It doesn't say. Those are really pretty. Quite a lot of those too. And then next are the check glass vintage buttons. These are a couple of little shank buttons. So pretty. It's a bigger one with the shank. It's really, really pretty buttons. And then next are some dragon vein agate faceted round beads. They're 6 millimeters. These are some dragon vein gemstone beads. Really pretty. And then the last thing is really neat. It is Garden Love laser cut rose with embroidery backing. And I've never had anything like this. I mean, I've done bead embroidery before, but I've never had anything like this. It's got the, you would put your backing on there. You've got your rose and your little leaves here. I believe this is how this would work. And then you could trace your leaves with a pencil or something. You could trace your leaves out in your rose, and then you could do your beading, and then of course position your rose and your leaves ever how you want to on your whatever you're going to back it with, like ultra suede or something like that, leather, whatever. And that's really neat. I've never had anything already made for you like that, where you have the design already made. All you have to do is kind of trace it and bead around it. That would be really cool. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll put everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the February 2026 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box called Garden Love. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description box below to the page on the Potomac Beads website where you can go and read about both of their subscription boxes and subscribe if it's something that you're interested in. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.